Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a late payment on Klarna. So if for whatever reason your payment date is overdue and you want to make a payment that is now late, yeah, this video is for you. I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. Let's not waste any time at all. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to do, of course, is to log into your Klarna account. Now you can log into your Klarna account on the mobile app, or you can do that on the official website. And once you're logged into your Klarna account, you want to go to the payments tab. Now there you're gonna select the payment that is now late, and then you're gonna make the payment online, or you can make it through the app right there and then. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make a late payment on Klarna. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.